Which shag cut will change you? Wolf Cut Shag. Ideal for round faces wanting edgy volume and effortless low-maintenance texture every day. Classic 70s Feathered Shag. Perfect for fine hair needing instant crown lift and timeless vintage framing style. Curly Shag with curtain bangs. Best for naturally curly hair seeking defined bounce without heavy triangular bulk. Short Pixie Shag. Great for active women desiring bold youthful flair with minimum styling time. Shaggy Bob with Wispy Bangs. Suits heart-shaped faces looking to soften strong cheekbones with airy movement. Which style is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Long Layered Mullet Shag. Designed for trendsetters who want dramatic contrast between crown and shoulder length. Choppy Razored Shag. Excellent for limp hair needing piecey dimension and dynamic modern energy. Shag with heavy straight bangs. Fits oval faces wanting to emphasize eyes while adding crown density nicely. Bottleneck Bangs Shag. Ideal for fine straight hair seeking trendy face framing without full heavy bangs. Modern Edgy Micro Fringe Shag. Perfect for daring personalities wanting to highlight eyes with sharp artistic edge. Textured Shoulder Length Shag. Great for versatile everyday styling that flatters medium hair densities easily. Voluminous Retro Shag. Suits thick hair requiring weight reduction while maintaining luxurious full shape. Comment below which haircut number suits you best. Asymmetrical Shag. Designed for angular features seeking balanced asymmetry and creative edge. Wavy Lob Shag. Perfect for effortless beachy waves that add casual sophistication to medium length. Messy Rocker Shag. Ideal for coarse hair seeking textured grit and fearless rocker aesthetics. Soft Face Framing Shag. Best for mature facial features needing gentle softening and natural movement. French Girl Shag. Great for minimalists who crave chic Parisian elegance with zero daily hassle. Bixie Shag. Suits short hair lovers wanting extra crown height and versatile fringe options. Shag with micro layers. Perfect for dense hair requiring inner airiness and defined layered movement. Don't forget to write your favorite number in the comments. Ultra Long Bohemian Shag. Ideal for long hair enthusiasts wanting natural movement without losing length.